This is the circuit diagram of my car parking system. Hello, this is my car parking DIY hardware project. Here at the front gate, it is showing a LCD screen. Here LCD screen shows that how many spaces are left and that needs to be filled. Currently it is showing that there are 4 spaces left, means there are 4 spaces that needs to be filled currently. At the front gate, there is an ultrasonic sensor which senses that is there any car or not at the front gate. It is connected to the servo motor at the open gate and it by default opens when there is a car sensed at the front gate. If I put a car at the front gate, then it senses that there is a car. Now when it crosses the front gate, the open gate will be closed automatically. This is the front part of the car parking management system. This is the top view of my car parking management system. Here you can see that all the slots are empty. Currently, for the sample, there is one motor that is connected to parking 3, which is showing that it is for the booking system. By using the Blink application, let's move car to parking number slot 1. Now you can see that the light of the LED glowed and we got the notification. Now here I put one vehicle at the entry gate. Ultrasonic sensor senses it and it opens the gate. Now this vehicle enters into the parking. Now sensor senses that there is no car at the front and the gate closes. Now this car can park into rest of the other location other than parking slot 1. See that slot number 2 has been filled by the car. Here it will show that how the statistics of the car parking system are there. Like if I remove both the cars from both the parking system, it will show me the live parking statistics. This can show, I can click on the last 1 hour, it will show that which parking system was maximum occupied and last 6 hour, and similarly for 1 month I can see them and I can visualize them. Whenever there is a parking, then it will display that this slot 2 is filled right now. Means I cannot park in slot 2 right now. It will notify me. I will enter one more car here. Now this will sense there is a car and it will open the gate. Now this car enter the gate. Now the gate has been closed. Now let's assume that this car has booked the slot system. Now it can park into slot number 3. Now it can control by now if this car has this slot, then it can open or close the gate by its own, so that it has only the control of that, so that none other car can park in that place. Now if this car slots click open, this gate will open. Now this car can be parked inside this. Now this will show that slot 3 has been filled right away. Okay. Now this shows that car parking number 3 has been filled and the LED bulb has been glowed. Now it shows the GPS location of our car parking management system. On clicking get direction, we can get over to our car parking system. On clicking get directions or start. Here it's my terminal. I can see that all things are working or not. So 255 shows that it is filled and 0 shows it is empty. So 2 spaces left and both entry and exit gate are closed. Whenever entry gate is opened, then it will display that entry gate is open. Like you can see that entry gate was opened right now. That this slot 2 is filled right now. Means I cannot park in slot 2 right now. It will notify me. I can generate report from here. Like clicking on new report, it will generate new report and it will send to me on my mail ID. On clicking Verify, I can see that my car parking system is okay or not. Means, is there any fault or not? Everything is okay or not. It is my spy camera to just to check.